What makes the best present ever? A busted drum. You can't beat it. Don't forget, comment your dad jokes down below. Right, so hello again everybody and welcome back. Lately, there's been a lot of changes Amazon have made on Firestick and Fire TV devices. And recently, they've added a feature that a lot of people might find useful, but there are mixed opinions on this. So we're going to take a look now. Right, so that being said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's crack on. Right, so what I will ask is comment down below your thoughts and opinions on this. Now, at the moment, you might not have this update, but you can expect it to go on at some point in the near future if you haven't. But if I just open an application that requires a keyboard, I'm going to open one up. So I'm going to click on this URL bar or search bar. And when it comes up, you're now going to see it comes up with a QR code as well. And all you've got to do with this is scan it with the camera on your phone or tablet, and then it'll direct you to a website that allows you to control your Fire Stick from a web browser. So you're able to navigate with it, so you can go up, down, all that, left, right. And you've also got an enter button. And then at the top, we can also enter text. And a good thing with this is you can copy and paste. So if you're wanting to type something that's really long, or you've got a URL you want to type in, but using the remote and the keyboard might take forever, that's a quick way of doing it. Now, I've seen a lot of people talking about this, and like I say, there is mixed opinions. A lot of people do like the fact that now they can do this, they can control it and type from their phone. It's fast and easy, but there's also a couple of things that could do with changing. So if I quickly look at this post here, you can see Fire TV gains new web-based virtual remote and keyboard for quick and simple control from anywhere. So as you can see, it's the same as I've just shown you. And this post is from AFTV News, and as you can see, it says the latest Fire TV software update has made some annoying changes, but it has also made some good changes. Now, this is obviously seen as one of the good ones. Now, obviously, a lot of you might already know you can get the application on your phone from the App Store, and you can get the virtual remote on there. And like here, while the Fire TV mobile app has existed for quite a while to serve as a virtual Fire TV remote, it can be slow to use, especially if all you want to do is type a single long password. Now, this is one thing Amazon could do with changing, and as we can see, it says when the Fire TV on-screen keyboard appears, a new QR code now appears next to it, such as we see above. You can ignore the QR code and continue using the on-screen keyboard as usual, so this QR code's not essential. But if it bothers you, you're out of luck because there doesn't appear to be any way to close or remove it. So that's one thing that might get annoying in the future. If people don't want that QR code next to it, there's no way of actually removing it. And this will be good if Amazon can add that so we can get rid of it if it's not needed. Now, these QR codes are unique to each Fire TV. And there's no logins needed or anything like that. Simply just scan the code, it'll load the web page, and you can use it from there. And you can also copy the URL and paste it into any device browser, and it will work. So if you have a laptop or PC, you can copy that web address onto there, and then same thing, you can control your Fire Stick from there. And then this is a good little point here. If a non-tech savvy friend or relative needs help with their Fire TV, you can bookmark their QR code URL and control their Fire TV over a video call with them from anywhere. So you haven't got to be on the same network for this. Do note though, you can't actually see the Fire Stick when you're navigating. Now, another couple of things this is currently missing is the back button and home button and menu buttons that are fairly crucial to effectively navigating around apps and the Fire TV interface. So that's literally all you've got at the moment. Whether they'll add buttons in the future or they just want to keep it like that, we'll have to wait and see. Now, here's the reason why there are mixed opinions on this. So it's unclear what you would do if someone who you don't want to have control manages to scan your QR code, since there doesn't appear to be a way to revoke or disable control. Restarting the Fire TV doesn't change the QR code and the URL, and he's tested this himself over a day or two, and it still remains to work. It does say about roommates, friends and family members using this to prank and annoy each other, so it can be used for that as well. But yeah, there are a few changes it does need to become safe and usable, I think. Such as you should be able to turn off that feature, or you should be able to change the QR code of your device. So if someone does have it and you don't want them to have it, you can change it. There's also different buttons that could do with adding, such as home button, back button, and menu buttons. But like I said, I've seen a lot of positive feedback on this as well, because like I say, the copy and paste feature, how you can copy a long URL onto your Fire TV stick, and it's really easy to do and fast. Me personally, I'll be honest, I'll probably never use this feature, so I would like to find a way of removing that QR code from that screen and then having the option to open it up if I need it. But yeah, it's just one of those update videos to let you know what's happening, and if you've seen that QR code and you were thinking, what's that? That's what it is. But like I said, let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments section down below. Is this something you'll ever use? Is it a welcomed update and a new feature? Or do you wish they'd never added it and you're never going to use it? Is it a step in the right direction or the wrong direction? In my head, that sounded really clever, you know? Right, so that being said, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you soon. Ta-da!